guys, my name is Nikki Milley. I am a professional portrait artist. I specialize in pets and people. Welcome to my channel. I spent several years of my life working jobs that really did not make me happy. About 2 years ago, I decided that what really makes me happy is drawing and painting, and I was going to become a full-time artist, no matter what it took. So that's what I did. I invested in myself and took workshops under other artists that I admire and enjoy watching and follow on media. And I decided that I was going to start taking commissions, and I booked my calendar for about 4 to 6 months ahead and quit my part-time interior design job. That was 1 year ago this last July, and I have been doing it. I've been selling my art, I've been doing commissions, I work from home, and I am thrilled. You can do it too, and that is the goal of my YouTube channel. I want to provide you guys with tutorials, tips, and techniques. I want to show you guys different tools that I use and paper, the things that I have done wrong and the things that I have done right, in hopes of saving you a ton of time and supplies. I know that I won't save you all of it, because how we learn is actually by making mistakes. But I can make things available to you that you may not otherwise be able to find. Things like how to draw a white dog, how to render a black dog. What were some of the things? How to use white colored pencil over other colors, because we all know if you've tried it, it's near impossible. So I will review all of those things and give you all of that information. I hope you join me on my little adventure. Please subscribe and hit the little notification button so that you know when one of my new videos is up. I look forward to getting to know you. Feel free to ask me any questions in the comments, and I will do my best to answer them. I'll talk to everybody soon. Bye-bye.